get stuck thinking what to say in daily English conversations?
Don't worry. In today's podcast, we'll show you how to talk in English about your daily life, naturally, confidently, and fluently.
So grab your coffee, relax, and let's start speaking English the fun way.
Stay till the end, because these daily phrases will change how you talk in English. Hey, Sarah, how's your day going?
Pretty good, Alex. I woke up early today for a change. How about you?
Oh, nice. I actually slept in a bit. I needed that extra hour of rest.
Same here. Mornings can be so tough sometimes.
True. So, what's the first thing you usually do after waking up?
I usually make a cup of coffee and check my phone. You?
I go for a short walk, then I have breakfast.
That sounds healthy. What do you eat for breakfast?
Usually eggs and toast, sometimes oatmeal.
Nice. I just grab something quick, maybe a banana or a sandwich.
After breakfast, I like to plan my day. Do you do that too?
Oh, yes. I write a to-do list so I don't forget things.
Smart idea. I should start doing that.
It really helps me stay organized.
So, what does a normal day look like for you?
Well, I start work around 9 a.m. and finish by 5.
That's a long day. What kind of work do you do?
I'm an English tutor online. What about you?
I work in marketing. I mostly do digital campaigns.
Oh, that sounds creative.
Yeah, it's fun, but sometimes stressful.
I totally understand. Deadlines can be crazy.
Exactly. After work, I like to relax and listen to music.
Nice. I usually cook dinner while listening to podcasts.
Oh, really? What kind of podcasts?
Mostly about motivation or learning languages.
That's cool. Do you cook every day?
Almost. I enjoy trying new recipes.
I wish I could cook like that. I usually order food.
You should start with something easy like pasta.
Maybe I will. What's your favorite dish to make?
Definitely stir-fried noodles. So quick and delicious.
Yum! Now I'm hungry.
Me too. Talking about food always makes me hungry.
So, what do you usually do after dinner?
I like to read a book or watch a show.
What kind of shows do you like?
Mostly comedies or documentaries.
Same. I just finished watching a travel series.
Oh, I love those. They make me want to travel more.
Totally. Do you travel often?
Not as much as I'd like, but I try on weekends.
Nice. Where did you go last weekend?
I went hiking with my friends. It was amazing.
That sounds so refreshing. I usually just stay home and chill.
That's nice too. Sometimes doing nothing is the best.
True. Do you go to bed early or stay up late?
I try to sleep by 11, but sometimes I scroll on my phone.
Oh, same here. I always say just 5 more minutes.
And then it becomes 1 hour.
Exactly. What time do you wake up?
Around 6:30 a.m. I like quiet mornings.
That's great. I wake up around 7:30.
Not bad. Morning routines are so important.
Yeah, little habits make a big difference.
Absolutely. Daily life may look simple, but it's where we live most of our story.
Wow, that's deep, Sarah.
Thanks. Just trying to sound wise.
You did. So, ready for tomorrow's daily life again?
Always. New day, new conversation, just like this podcast.